Hello, all. So, today we will be seeing how the IBM Maximo provides insights through detailed asset analytics. It analyzes real time data for actionable insights, tracks performance trends to optimize operations, detects anomalies using predictive analytics tools, improves decision making through data driven approaches, identifies inefficiencies for targeted process improvements, visualizes the asset health on interactive dashboards, supports strategic planning with performance forecasts, monitors life cycle stages for better management, reduces risks by identifying failure patterns, and enhances operational efficiency via advanced analytics. How IBM Maximo is suitable for various industries like utilities. It serves manufacturing for streamlining maintenance processes. It optimizes the healthcare equipment uptime and real reliability, manages transportation assets for operational efficiency, enhances oil and gas industry workflows, supports utilities in managing critical infrastructure, adapts to diverse retail supply chain systems, simplifies asset tracking in public services, assists construction projects with equipment monitoring. It improves performance in renewable energy sectors and handles mining machinery for maximum productivity. How IBM designed for scalability and system reliability. It handles growing enterprise needs without disruptions, accommodates multi location business with centralized control. It ensures robust performance for critical systems, scales seamlessly for increased operational demand, maintains consistency uptime with reliable architecture, adapts easily to evolving industry requirements, supports multiple user environments with secure access, optimizes resources across enterprise wide workflow, balances workloads efficiently for enhanced reliability, and facilitates integration with expanding technology ecosystems. How IBM Maximo offers a cloud based deployment option. It enables remote access to asset data, reduces infrastructure costs with hosted solutions, enhances flexibility for geographically distributed teams, provides seamless updates without manual interventions, ensures data security with cloud protocols, scales resources based on organizational needs, supports hybrid deployment for unique requirements, facilitates easy integration with cloud applications, improves collaboration through centralized cloud access, and boosts business agility with on demand scalability. How IBM Maximo reduces costs via efficient asset tracking, minimizes downtime with predictive maintenance solutions, eliminates redundant processes for cost optimization, tracks inventory usage to avoid overstocking, schedules maintenance to prevent costly breakdowns, analyzes energy consumption for savings opportunities, reduces labor costs through automation tools, optimizes resource allocation across organizational units, prevents overuse of assets through better monitoring, streamlines processes for improved cost efficiency, and enhances return on investment via analytics driven management.